show and shine to raise money for school camp. Choice. And it was. Hot rods, speedway cars, and even a friggin' tank. In the end of the video, they fired it, gunpowder and all. I grabbed a couple of mates, gave the starlet a quick clean, and headed along to check it out. Let's go. Yours is a thing of beauty. Oh, I put the skinny ones on. Oh, that's right, the big ones, yeah. There you go, suddenly my engine bay looks like crap. We should have parked his one over there, eh? Then they'll forget by the time I get here and go, oh yeah, that's a tidy 4H. Oh, hang on. Got the clear cover and all. I didn't notice that last time. Yeah, I love this thing. Big high rise.
It's nice.
So good.
It's really
Yeah,
cool.
so
Big
cool.
silos on top of the fucking carbies.
So is that a supercharger pulley? Oh no, that's a water pump. It looks like that's just doing the water pump in that. Yeah, I don't think it's actually doing any induction.
No, you're right. I think that's what.
Yeah, looks like water pump on the top probably, and then alternator on the side.
Oh yeah, the Dizzy's back there.
What?
Oh, the Dizzy and the plugs.
Oh wow, yeah,
there.
true.
Cool.
It's neat. I don't know why, but this appeals so much. Big cruiser.
Well, in fact, suddenly you think you could take to the beach and get the
Yeah,
whole
man.
family in a
It'd be
van,
so cool.
including the dog. So
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah.
And still have room to stretch out.
Yeah, it's just so cool. Like,
Yeah, we had one. This
It's
is
just-
I learned to drive. My old man.
did you?
Drive it over.
What is it? A Hillman
Is it a Hunter?
Super Minx?
Oh,
No, it's a
Super
Super
Minx.
Minx. That's the sporty one, isn't it?
We had the Hunter. Yeah, this is a
This
sporty
is
version.
smaller and sportier, I think.
Yeah.
I'm really not good with British.
No, we had the Hunter.
65.
With the this has got the, like they say, it's got the sport tail on it.
Yeah.
We just had the full straight square end.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's
That's
cool.
pretty cool, eh?
Put in a wind tunnel for that design.
Was it?
I don't know. Well,
Dave reckons.
Possibly.
Yeah.
You
And then look
never
at
know.
this. It's like
They just
4
had a
miles
fan in front
long.
and blew the fan through it.
Fueled by recycled
size of those
dinosaurs.
fuckers,
God,
bro.
that's a cool sticker.
Yeah.
Okay, enough clowning around. Gumboot Rally Travelling Circuits tickets are live now. 50 cars, 800 kilometers, themed scavenger hunt road trip. You owe it to your car to do a Gumboot Rally. www.gumbootrally.com. Wow, check out that KE30. Hey bro, how's it?
Hey man, how are you?
Good. Fucking love this thing.
Fucking whipping, alright.
It's so rad. It was so neat
all
on the
yourself.
chrome.
Yeah, it's a good weekend, eh?
Yeah. I kept seeing you out on the track and going, right, as soon as he comes in, I'm going to find him. And then you're out on the track again, I was like, I'm just going to keep videoing. And then it's the only option.
Try to make it right for you.
Yeah, man.
And it wasn't a thick menu, it was only one piece.
It just did so well, eh? Like, it just competed so well in so many different facets of the event. I didn't see your burnout I was gutted about. That would have been rad.
We actually, me and my mate there, we both loved the roll racing, eh?
Yeah, that's what I was buzzing out on. That was my favourite part of the whole
coming down
thing.
around to that
Yeah,
light
yeah.
and hooning off.
Yep.
Yeah, it's good.
I originally bought it as just a shell.
Yep.
So it used to be the spot on Michael Ledgerwood's down in South Island. He
Yep.
used to have a KE10, it's like a massive port can burnout V8 motor in it.
Okay, I don't remember it. Yep.
And then like I bought it as a bare shell, and ended up buying the doors off them slowly and the glass off them slowly and stuff.
Wicked.
And I was going to put it back to the cert tag.
Yep.
And put a Hilux rear end in it.
Yep.
Then my mate had a Pub Sport that he crashed. So I bought the Pub Sport.
Keep it all together.
Yeah. My man's a drag racing builds drag cars.
Yep.
And I thought, oh fuck, I'll see if that fits in there, and then yeah, that's when it spiraled out from top.
Because KE36 wagon is my dream drag car.
Yeah.
Like, you literally are building
Yeah.
genuinely my dream car for drag racing. I just think it's the best option.
Yeah.
Because you've got a bit of space being a wagon, so you can do one of those drag and drive events, because I reckon they'd be rad to do.
Oh, yeah.
Those are so
Cool,
cool, eh?
Yeah.
Even with just one of the Aussie ones or something would be fun to do, I reckon.
I don't know the first thing in the bin. That was
So
really
cool, man.
expensive. But I was
Yeah, no, it's never meant to.
just really told me, I won't keep it.
And are you going to try and get it on the road, or is it just going to be for chrome style events?
Yeah, just events.
Because they're such good value, eh?
Yeah. Trying to join the car club and shit soon. Do the
Cool.
street sprints and
Yep.
all that.
Oh, so it can all be tipped, can it?
Yeah.
Just not for registration.
So that's all S14 cross member.
Yep.
Family one.
S14 rack, steering column.
Fucking rad.
It's got like a
Two sat with
cut and
the
shut
team
knuckle
at
kit
the
for
meeting.
extended control arms.
Yep,
and
yep.
all that from Smith Industries.
Yep.
Big GK Tech caster arms for the lot. Astra power steering pump. Well, when we looked at doing it, like the Alice has got a small motor without all the shit on it.
Yep.
But also the gearbox was massive, the 6-speed. So we ended up cutting the whole 4 out of this and just redoing everything.
Yep.
It's new chassis from here to the rear end.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy
and then
crap.
it's sort of like C-notched up over the back for the S14 rear
Oh,
end.
far, I didn't realise all of that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
T56.
Far out, man. That's nuts. Oh, nice.
So that's the original tag for it. Thought I'd keep it.
Yeah, hard. Pretty cool, eh?
Charger RT.
Yeah. Love the colour, eh?
No, right?
It's just so neat.
That's cool, man.
That hip line's just unmatchable, eh? Yeah. Nothing, no one else does it.
Like even like underneath the speed games and stuff like that, you know, you grab this car and it's fucking, you just make up to it.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
440, I assume that's the big block.
Must be, eh?
Yeah. And I like that with the patina. It's so cool. Yeah.
Yep. But I bet there's fence underneath the bonnet. Hard to tell.
I just love it. I love the colour.
Yeah, man. The old Capri, right? Cool.
Yep. Old Mark 1? Yeah, Mark 1.
Must be.
Yep,
Yeah.
Mark 1.
Very, very cool. There are some really nice cars in there. That is the...
Do you?
Yeah, a 4-door. It's a straight 8, not a...
Oh, yep. Oh, that explains why there's so much room if they had a straight 8 as well, and none.
My one's bigger grill and stuff.
Yep.
It's 6 volt, it's all standard. It's 6 volt running system.
Yep.
I haven't done anything.
Isn't it amazing that we went to 12 volt all that long ago and we haven't changed?
Well, that's what I'm in the process now of trying to change it all over. We've
Yeah.
had a nightmare with vacuum wipers.
That's 12 volt. Wonder if he's done like the...
It's been converted to
Yeah.
12 volt.
Yeah, true that.
Which is a mean old stereo.
But surely you could just do a step down though.
It'll be a step down, so we're
Yeah, I need a Red Bull. Yep. They let you in?
Yeah.
Neat.
We had to turn around.
What do you mean?
I put my window down and I couldn't put it back up.
Oh,
So we turned around and went home.
so you're telling me that you've got a 90s Japanese car and it has an electrical problem?
Yeah.
Bullshit.
Pretty standard.
Yeah. You look very ominous in there. Is this yours, is it?
Yeah.
That's a beautiful machine.
Thank you. Yeah, we're just getting organised to fire a blank out of it and fire a shot shortly.
Really?
Yeah, 10 past. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Quarter past, I think it is. Yeah, we're going to fire run around.
And what actually makes them fire? Like, it's obviously gunpowder, right? It's the actual propulsion.
Yeah, so the gun's still light, so we use it just like we do a light shell.
Yes?
So, yeah, we just use black powder.
Cool.
Lots of smoke and lots of noise.
And what year is it?
42.
42?
Yeah.
Wow. And has it seen service?
This particular tank has, and it's seen training for the war.
Yep.
So they trained in them, and then when they went overseas, they fought in these.
Yes.
And in the Sherman tank. So,
This is so neat inside, isn't it?
yeah. So we were just talking to it before, 4 people had to live in here.
Heating behind you, or is
so
that?
Coolers, so that's it. So it's air cooled.
Oh, so that's cooling the motor
Yeah,
down.
so one's cooling the engine, one's cooling the transmission.
Wow. So it's stealing your good air to get
Yeah,
cold
so,
air.
so basically it's pulling the air through the, because when they're fighting,
Yes.
there's smoke and everything, of course, coming in here, so they're drawing the air back out through the
Ah,
back. So
okay.
trying to get rid of the smoke as well.
Ah, yes. And where does it feed in, or is it
There's
just?
a tiny wee hole at the top.
Yes.
Because you'll be shut down. Of course,
Yes.
But there's lots of leaks, There's,
Yep.
It's not really, right, I'll just jump up.
Yeah.
So,
I'm just learning.
oh, yep.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, unfortunately they weren't. They're a great tank, but too lightly armoured and too lightly gunned.
Yep.
Or at the beginning of the war, when the Germans only had a 37mm gun as well, so they were, tank on tank was okay.
Yep.
They got the bigger gun. The big Tiger came along, and that was the end of that.
Yeah. Definitely changed it up.
So
Every
Tiger-
step changed it, eh?
Yeah,
It was.
so Tiger could penetrate both sides of the turret at 2K.
Yeah, that'll do it. That's a game you don't want to get involved in, eh?
Couldn't get in, wouldn't even go.
So as soon as you can see them, you're in the wrong place.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why they were so fast. They're good at getting away.
Oh, these were?
Yeah, these would be 60 k's an hour.
Shivers, that's alright.
Yeah, so.
And that'll be across most things too, wouldn't it?
Yeah, so it's pretty good across country as well.
Yep.
Yeah, so. it's
Just
quite-
60.
quite-
Cool, eh?
Yeah, so quite fast. One of the fastest in the war.
Yeah.